Welcome to GTchat Pro, a best communication tool to boost your sales. This is an ultimate tutorial for agents. How to use GTchat Pro Chat Messenger. First, agent needs to get login with the details created by the admin. If you're a new agent, you need to verify your email first. From the agent profile panel, you can set your profile, like image, and password if you want to change. Here you can also set up canned messages for proactive chat invitations and quickly respond to your potential customers. Now, move on to the chat window. Here you will see all incoming chats from your customers. First one is chat box, then visitors, and the other one is archive list. When you will be online and receive a new message from the visitors that will goes in the chat list. Here you can click on the chat and accept it to start chat with your customer to answer their queries. GTchat Pro is packed with a variety of features, like file sharing, location sharing, voice chat, send chat messages in an email. Here, you can find your canned messages to save your time and quickly response to your customers. Not only this, GTchat Pro will also help you to collect information about your visitors in just a single click. On the right side of the panel, you can find the option to block your spam users, and also save a special note about your customers to check it later on. There you can also get the option to transfer your chat to the other online agents. It also allows you to close the chat if you want. Now let's move on the second tab that is called Visitors. Here you can find all active users on your website in real time. You can click and start a proactive chat to maximize your sale opportunities. In case you will be offline, you will get all your active chats in Archive tab, or the chats who will not get response from any agents will goes in the archive list. Likewise, chat feature, you can also check status for scheduled calls. In the left panel you can see all your documents and attached files you have sent in your chat. Next, from the setting option you can export your customers with all required details. It also allows you to change the theme mode to dark and light. And finally you will have an app setting button to customize your chat window design. Here you can choose the color, layout style, wallpaper and the sidebar style option. Thank you.